Imagine a classroom with no walls, no doors, no limits. Imagine learning without fear of failure, without being left behind, without being told you're not good enough. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a classroom that comes to you. This is not science fiction. This is the future of education with AI. For hundreds of years, education followed one rule: one teacher, one lesson, one speed. But humans are not the same. Some learn fast, some need time, some learn by listening, some by trying again and again. AI understands this. In the future, every learner will have a personal AI tutor, a tutor that knows your strengths, your weaknesses, your dreams. If you don't understand, it doesn't judge you. It explains again, in simpler words, with examples made just for you. Learning becomes friendly. Learning becomes human. Now imagine virtual classrooms, a child in a remote village, a student in a busy city, a worker learning after a long day. All connected, all learning together. No expensive buildings, no long travel, just a screen and the chance. Teachers will still matter, more than ever. They will guide minds, spark creativity, teach values and wisdom. AI will do the heavy lifting. Humans will do the inspiring. Language has stopped millions from learning, but AI can speak every language and understand every voice. With instant translation, a student can learn in their mother tongue, ask questions freely, watch lessons from anywhere in the world. Knowledge will no longer belong to a few. It will belong to everyone. Education will also change what we learn. Degrees will matter less. Skills will matter more. Want to learn coding? AI builds a path for you. Want to learn design, medicine, business, or farming? AI adapts lessons to your life. Learning will not stop at school, or college, or age. Children will learn. Adults will reskill. Elders will discover new passions. Learning becomes lifelong. Now think about the bigger picture. Think about the child who never held a book. Think about the adult who cannot read a sentence. Think about the talent lost because education never arrived. AI can change that. With affordable technology, learning can reach anywhere. Mountains, deserts, refugee camps, forgotten places. This is how illiteracy ends, not slowly, but together. AI is not here to replace teachers or humans. AI is here to lift humanity, to give equal chances, equal voices, equal hope. The future classroom has no walls, no borders, no one left behind. With AI, education becomes a right, not a privilege. And when education reaches everyone, the world doesn't just get smarter, it gets stronger. What do you think the classroom of 2030 will look like? Drop the predictions in the comments. I read them all. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of learning, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on AI's biggest transformations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.